This issue is not just about sensitive tradition, it's about miscommunication can marginalize a community because we must remember Papua is not an empty land. Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself to you. My name is MASNIA ULANDARI and you can call me GINA. I'm communication student at University of Mataram and today I want to talk about my opinion and my perspective about film Bahasa. Okay everyone, in this video, I'm going to fulfill my second project assignment for our communication course. Today, I will be sharing my opinions and my perspective regarding the film or phenomenon titled Pesta Babi. By just reviewing the film, we also deep dive the future impact of communication science, the common challenge or problem we face in this field, and how we core participical of communication can serve as a real-world solution to resolve these issues. So, let's discuss them one by one. First, let us analyze the movie Pesta Babi. Our filmmakers have successfully captured a vivid reality that is very close to our society, yet often considered or highly sensitive. My personal opinion regarding this film is that perfectly demonstrates how a certain tradition, culture, or group action can lead to instant social polarization when it collides with the values of the wider public. The main issue I want to highlight here that existence of a straight communication gap and story naming. When a sensitive phenomenon is deployed without a healthy space for dialogue, what follows is unliterate judgment, misinformation, and social conflict, both in the digital realm and in real life. This made me realize that the root cause of the conflict in the film is one fundamental thing: a failure to establish empathic and inclusive communication. Looking at the conflict present in the film, let us shift our focus to broader scope. What is the actual impact of communication science in the future? In this era of artificial intelligence, big data, and communication science will never die. In fact, its impact will become even more crucial. In the future, communication is no longer just about speaking. It's about information gathering and reputation management. Communication will serve as the middle bridge between advanced technology and human values. However, alongside this significant impact, there are classic and more challenges that we frequently examine within the field of communication science, such as the echo chamber effect, crisis of trust, and last but not least is disinformation, the loss of digital empathy. And now, the big question is, how can communication science resolve this problem, including the social friction reflected in a Pesta Babi? Communication science provide us with the tools and the methodological to devise such conflict through several strategic and approaches. First, through conflict management and persuasive communication. second, media literacy and digital communication. And the third is environmental communication and ethical journalism. To summarizing everything we have discussed today, the film Pesta Babi is a wake-up call for all us of that. Miscommunication and a lack of empathy can create a real social crisis in the future in the challenge of communication side will certainly double to digital disinformation. However, communication sign is also the ultimate key of the solution. Through equal space or dialogue, strong mental literacy, and empathy-based interaction, we can transform classic perception into harmonious understanding. Communication is not just about sending a message, it is about building common ground.